Yeah, I mean, Tesla, when you look at, one electric vehicle maker representing 60% of the charging stations, that's very, very telling. These companies that we're talking about are much larger than Tesla, right? They're not pure EV companies, so it's difficult to make a comparison on that. Tesla's the leader there, but they certainly have, the funding and whatnot. So you have to believe that Tesla has just figured out the best recipe for this, right? They've figured out how to optimize this, how to make it more efficient. I mean, I live in New York City. There are 2 Tesla charging stations on my block alone. So, I just think they own this market, and it'll be some time before everybody else catches up. And that's been the Tesla story, right? Everyone's trying to catch up.
Tesla stock has been on an upward trend lately, far beyond where the bears predicted it would be, and this rally may continue for a long time. Today, we're going to delve into the compelling reasons why Tesla, under Elon Musk's unparalleled leadership, is poised to not only survive, but thrive in the face of challenges. This is a captivating exploration of one of the most enigmatic and visionary tech experts of our time, who just so happens to be the one behind the wheel for Tesla. There is a seismic shift that is taking Tesla to the forefront of the EV market, and Elon Musk is determined to see it become a reality. The CEO's recent moves are proof that Tesla has begun an unstoppable journey toward market supremacy, and it's only a matter of time before everyone realizes the limitless possibilities that lie ahead for Tesla. So stick with us as we unravel the convergence of brilliance, ambition, and innovation that have become the secrets behind Tesla's journey towards unparalleled success.
Investment case look like for Tesla investing in the country?
A very similar kind of picture, actually. What Musk was talking about, he said he'll visit India next year. He sees Tesla will be in India as soon as humanly possible. He said he's likely to make a significant investment in India. Look, if we look at what Modi's been doing in terms of trying to woo US tech companies to India, it's been on that double sort of strands there. One is the sales side, sell your products in India. The second is build your products in India. That's very much the Modi strategy. We've seen he's been having closer ties to the US as well. And look, from Musk's perspective as well, he's looking for a new location for a factory for his Tesla cars. He was in Italy and France last week talking to the country's leaders there. They're trying to get him in to build a factory. Clearly Modi also. So it's smart from Elon Musk. He's pitting all these countries against each other, saying, give me the best deal for my gigafactory. And that's sort of what's happening. Obviously, the opportunities in India are huge. Massive market.
There has been a symbiotic relationship between Musk's unwavering determination and Tesla's unparalleled growth, and Tesla investors are set to witness the rise of a true titan in the world of electric vehicles. For numerous reasons, Tesla is poised to establish an unrivaled dominance in the EV market. So if you're a Tesla investor, get ready to witness a revolution that will shape the automotive landscape. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla's quest for domination sounds a lot like what Apple achieved in the smartphone market. And indeed, every Tesla bull will agree that the Tesla isn't merely a car maker, but rather a tech company that could soon be worth trillions more than Apple. It's an emphasis on sleek software, ultra-loyal fanbase, and tightly controlled ecosystem certainly feels more Apple than Toyota. And this is majorly thanks to the automaker's CEO Elon Musk, who is known for pushing the limits, often making the news with his groundbreaking ideas and show-stopping actions. Where ahead for Tesla in the future, though, will Tesla have Elon Musk as its CEO? We've got more to come in this video. But before we start, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Investment expert Warren Buffett once described Elon Musk as a man who is dedicated to solving the impossible, adding that the Tesla CEO would not have achieved what he has in life if he hadn't tried for unreasonably extreme objectives. Outside of his achievements in business and technology, Elon Musk is best known as a man of many tweets and bold predictions. The Tesla CEO does not hide his ambition for the automaker to dominate the global automotive industry, and has endlessly made moves to see that happen. Until now, only one market has resisted Tesla, and the automaker is set to pitch its tent there. According to recent reports, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has made plans to set up a manufacturing base in India. The meeting between Elon Musk and Indian Prime Minister has actually been the first at a high level to discuss the expansion. There are also plans to establish a manufacturing base for cars as well as for making batteries. The Tesla executive had previously said that Tesla would probably pick a location for a new factory by the end of this year, adding that India was an interesting place for a new plant. As companies like Tesla and Apple face challenges of reducing reliance on China as a manufacturing base in the face of tensions between Washington and Beijing. Tesla last year shelved its India entry plans due to high import tax structures, but has since renewed talks in recent weeks by sharing plans with Indian officials about a manufacturing base there, a development which India has long sought. In 2022, EV sales in India rose to 50,000, which was a fourfold increase from 2021, but still a meager number compared to the 1.4 million EVs sold in China that same year. According to the International Energy Agency, sales of electric vehicles in India have the potential to really take off. Interestingly, the government has invested around $3.2 billion in the form of incentives for the industry, attracting $8.3 billion in investment. Some of the world's biggest car makers, including Volkswagen, Volvo Cars, and Stellantis, are also venturing into the EV market on the subcontinent, and it's only a matter of time before Tesla fully joins them. These expansions will be beneficial for Tesla, all things being equal. The automaker's stock is already reacting positively to market conditions, so more growth is expected if expansion is achieved and Tesla's car demand grows. There are, however, a few concerns for investors, especially since the stock market reacts significantly to market conditions, as well as predictions from big names in the industry. For instance, shares of the automaker slipped at the time after Barclays analyst Dave Levy downgraded Tesla from a buy to a hold, despite simultaneously upping his price target from $220 to $260, reflecting the remarkable surge in Tesla's share price within a month. The Tesla analyst dropped a cautious stance on Tesla's immediate future, anticipating potential market price cuts that will affect vehicles and thus affect profit margins and earnings. While the market has been seeing Tesla as a more than just a car maker kind of entity, some analysts believe that the market is ignoring near-term fundamental challenges. The Barclays analyst claimed that the relative disregard of challenges to near-term Tesla fundamentals amid the sharp rally is a key concern on the stock, and is at the core of the downgrade. He also added that he sees a number of underlying weak points in the near-term Tesla narrative. However, on a more positive note, Barclays perceives Tesla as a long-term forerunner in the EV industry. By late 2024 to 2025, the automaker is expected to ramp up production of its lower-cost Model 2, an anticipation that promises to revive investor enthusiasm in the company. The analyst also sees a potential for Tesla to exceed expectations on Q2 deliveries. Just 2 months into the year, Tesla was already the best performing S&P 500 stock year to date. While the stock price remains unstable, long-term Tesla investors know that volatility is simply par for the course when it comes to the world's top EV maker. But what are your thoughts on Tesla lately? Let us know down below in the comments. And if you want to know more about the groundbreaking moves Tesla's been making over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen to find out more interesting Tesla updates. We'll see you there.